Hi everyone, and thank you for joining me again today at Rain's Arts. I have this piece of board. Now the last one I did on this, it warped, so I've painted the back. Hopefully this time it won't. And I do have some paints left that I've mixed with house paint, so I'm going to use those up on here. And I bought a new hairdryer because the last one I had I didn't have a cool function on it, and it was just a cheap one, and it was just blowing too hot. So I just bought a cheapy one from Kmart, but it's got a cool function on it. So I'm hoping that's going to work better. And I haven't. So I'm just going to spread just a little bit of this over here. So this is house paint, and hopefully this time it'll work much better, given that I've got a hairdryer that's not going to blow things all over the place. So I'm not too worried about the edges because I'm going to spin this and it will spin the paint off down the edges, or at least that's the plan. And I'm going to get a nice little pillow paint there, and I am going to put some black on here as well, I think, and see what happens. So this is just global paints with the pouring medium that I'm using with the other paints. Get rid of that, I don't want that in my painting. I'm going to put that in there as well. Got a lot of paint on that, so hopefully it won't fly all over. I have mixed up some different colours, mostly greens this time, just to see what would happen. I did mix them up to do something else, but I think I will do this instead and test out my new dryer. The worst that can happen is it's awful and I scrape it. This first colour is a pearl pigment called Diamond, and it's from Paper Mill. And it's kind of a grey, probably a silver colour more than anything, truth be known. These paints are a bit thicker than I would normally make paints. Now I have greens and I have a couple of other colours just to give it a pop. So the first green I'm going to use is a Primary Elements pigment called Lime Squeeze. And this is what it looks like. Just give it a gentle stir, just to get those pigments mixed up, and put that in there. Oh, ouch, my puppy is running. It's a nice day today, it's winter, but it's a nice day, and my puppy is running in and out like a mad thing. This is called Aztec Gold. It's one from Paper Mill. Oh, and puppies have so much energy, don't they? Even though he's been out for a longish walk this morning, he's still running around like a crazy person too much energy, far too much energy. And that can come off there too. I don't want that in my paints. I'm just going to leave these open in case I want some more. The next colour I'm going to use is also a pearl pigment from Paper Mill, and this is called Jasmine or Jade, and this is a really nice colour. I said I'm not really into greens, but these greens are actually really pretty, so I thought I'd give them a go. Okay. The next colour I'm going to use is a Hansa Yellow, and this is the Global paint. It's beautiful bright yellow, which I thought would look really nice with greens. I can put a couple of rows of these colours in actually, and I might speed it up after when I put the second lot in, so you don't have to watch my boringness. The next green I'm going to use is also a primary element, and it's called Wild Vine, and that's what this one looks like, and that's also very sparkly. The next colour I will use is this beautiful purpley colour called Nightfall, and that's from Primary Elements. I tend to be getting this yellow everywhere. I have to say these colours are looking really nice together. I do like that colour. I'll put a bit more of that one in. Okay, there we go. That one over there. And this last colour is Pink Gold, which is also a Pearl X paint. I'll just mix that up. Just have to be sure when you use, or I find when you use pigments that they sink very quickly, so you have to give them a bit of a gentle stir before you use them. Alright, I'm going to put some more of these colours in. So I will speed this bit up for you. I'm going to put that in the middle. And do I want just that in the middle? I might just put a bit of this gold just like that, so it's not totally black in the middle. Okay, move some of these things out of the way. This is my new hairdryer from Kmart. It has 2 speeds and a cool button, which my other one didn't. So this is just to travel. And I'm going to press the cool button and see what happens. No, okay, we might need... Well, I have to say that worked better than my other one, and I do like these colours together. That's pretty cool. I've got these lines here, so I might get my little, because it's got this purple in the middle, this gold in the middle, which I put in there. I'm just going to move that over there. Seeing if some cells come up. They seem to be coming up around here where that rose gold is. That's a pretty colour. I'm just going to pop some of these bubbles here. And what I'm going to do is just blow. There are some nice colours under there, they're just not coming out. What if I get a... I'm going to sit down for a minute. What if I get a spatula, a chopstick? Because these cells are really nice. And I just... gently do some interesting that's brought some of those colours out. That's nice. What about, we need to do a bit more in the middle there. So I might go through there. And then through there. I like this. I like those colours together. That colour is beautiful. Don't know what colour that is. I think that might be the jade. This one. And I might just put some more of this in there because I like it. But where? Where shall I put some? I might just put... Don't want to put too much in, just a little bit, because I like it and it gives it a nice pop of colour. Maybe over here as well, just like this. Just a nice thin line. Okay, that's enough. I just wanted to put a bit of extra colour in there, and that jade was really popping, so that's good. I'm just going to get my little pop sticky. Well, it's not pop stick, it's a chopstick. Just get my little chopstick and make sure that it's blended in like that. Okay. Well, I can say that I'm liking this a lot. So let's get my to hide this now, because I'm a tiny little puppy that likes to eat my things. So let's give this a spin. So it's coming off the edge here. Oop. Very nice, very nice. And the other way. I think one more around this way. There's a few places on the edges hasn't covered. I'll give it one more spin. So this is the wet painting. Let's go in for a closer look. Some nice cells coming up there. Not so many cells anywhere else, but I'm not mad about that, to be honest. I like it the way it is. And it's just got a nice balance of a few cells in the middle and then not much on the outside, which I quite like. So I do like this. And I hope it dries well, because that paint is still a little bit thick, but my experience has been that it doesn't really matter that much with this paint, as long as it dries straight. So I will be back soon to show you the dried result. Hi guys, so this is the dried painting. Let's go in for a closer look. And this board did warp, but not as bad as the other one. But I'm really pleased with how it turned out. Those colours together are gorgeous. And I really love this jasmine here. I did get some cells. It turned out really nice. Green isn't actually my colour, but all in all, I actually really like this. And the colours go really well together. So thank you everyone for tuning in for another adventure. And until next time, please take care of yourself, your family, and the people you love. And there's my little puppy wanting to say hello to everyone. Willow. Willow. Say hello. Willow. Okay guys, take care and until next time, bye for now.